Hey flawless skin gang, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about an important topic that everybody is interested in, which is boosting the skin's elasticity and brightening our overall complexion. Now, the secret ingredients that we're going to be focusing on today are peptides and proteins. So, if you want to achieve a radiant and youthful glowing skin, then you definitely want to keep watching. Hey flawless skin gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Sele Kalio, and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I teach you how you can achieve a flawless skin without breaking the bank and without harming your skin. So if you would like to learn more about skincare and beauty, please join the family by subscribing down below, and make sure you are leaving all of your questions and all of your suggestions for video ideas in the comment section, because I love to hear from you. If you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back to the channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, in today's video, according to the title, we're going to be talking about boosting the skin's elasticity and brightening the overall complexion. And we're going to be targeting or focusing on two ingredients, which are peptides and proteins. Now, before we dive into the specifics of this video, let's first of all understand what proteins are and what peptides are and how they can benefit our skin. Peptides are short chains of amino acids, and these short chains of amino acids are the building blocks of our skin's proteins. They play a vital role in our skin's structure and our skin's function. Now, when peptides are used topically on the skin, they can stimulate the production of collagen, improve the skin's elasticity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on our skin. Now, talking about proteins, on the other hand, they are larger molecules that are composed of multiple peptides. They provide nourishment and support to our skin cells, which then helps to maintain a healthy and a youthful appearance. Now, what are the benefits of peptides and protein in our skin's health? Now that we have understood the basics, that's the meaning or the role of peptides and proteins in our skin's health, let us go deeper and explore the specific benefits of peptides and protein for our skin. Now, peptides and proteins can help to boost the production of collagen. Like we said earlier, peptides and proteins can help to boost the production of collagen, which is what gives our skin its structure, strength, and elasticity. By improving the collagen level in your skin, you can improve the resilience and firmness of our skin, thereby reducing the signs of premature aging. Peptides and proteins can help to improve the skin's elasticity. Now, as we age, our skin loses its natural elasticity, leading to sagging of your skin and the appearance of wrinkles. Peptides and proteins can help to restore and maintain the elasticity of our skin, which results in a firmer and a more youthful appearance. Peptides and proteins can help the hydration and moisture retention in our skin. Now, certain peptides and proteins have properties that help to replenish the skin's moisture barrier, and this helps to keep our skin healthy, plump, and radiant. Peptides and proteins can also help to brighten and even out your skin tone. Now, just like the hydration and moisture retention ability of some certain proteins and peptides, there are some peptides and proteins as well that can help with the brightness of your skin. Some of these peptides have been found to inhibit the production of melanin. Now, melanin is the pigment that is responsible for dark spots and, basically giving you an uneven skin tone. If you want to learn more about um, melanin and skin whitening and brightening and all of that, I'm going to leave a video here. Why do I keep raising my hand? I'm going to leave a video here for you guys to watch one of those videos. I have a couple of them. You can just check my channel and you will find a lot of information on skin whitening and its mechanism. Now, by reducing the melanin production, these ingredients can help to even out your skin and give you a more brighter and a more radiant complexion. Now, if you'd like to learn more about your skin and how you can get a brighter skin, a hydrated skin, if you want to learn about different ingredients and how they impact your skin, and basically just learn about skincare formulation, we have different courses that you can join in. We have our beginners skincare formulation course, we have our advanced skincare formulation course, we have our anti-aging skincare formulation course, we have our concentrate formulation course, and we also have courses where you can tell us exactly what you want us to teach you. Now, this particular training is for people who have been making skincare products, but they have issues with certain problem areas. It could be how to incorporate skin whitening actives into your skincare routine, into your formulation. It could be how to create acne products for specific kind of acne. It could be how to treat sunburn. It could be anti-aging. It could be a combination of different skincare areas or skincare formulation problem areas. All you need to do is tell us what your problem area is or what your problem areas are, and we will create a skincare formulation model for you that will cover all of those areas. Now, I want to also say this, that our skincare formulation courses are not just about mixing different ingredients and giving you recipes that you don't know anything about. Our skincare formulation courses are tailored to educate you, are tailored to improve your skincare formulation knowledge and skills. So if you are just looking for where to just get recipes and run away, that's not what we do here. We teach you about skincare formulation, the process, the theory, the practical, everything that you need to understand, we teach you. So if you're not ready to study, if you're not ready to read, if you're not ready to learn, please, this course is not for you. I'm tired of having people who are only focused on getting recipes. I don't know how to teach like that. I want to teach you in a way that you can stand alone. You can stand on your own. I want to teach you to a point that you don't need people's recipes. You can create effective, safe recipes that can give results that your clients are looking for, and also safe for them to use on their skin. So if this is the kind of training you're looking for, then you are in the right place. Send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar and ask us all the questions that you need, and we will give you all the answers that we have. Okay, so let's move on. Now that we understand the role of peptides in our skin and its function, let us also look at how we can incorporate peptides and proteins into our daily lives, both in our routine and in our diet. Now, if you're looking to incorporate peptides and protein into your skin care routine, you have to look for products that contain peptides and proteins, or look for skincare products that have these ingredients, these key ingredients, as their active ingredients. Again, a lot of people are formulators, but they don't understand the difference between active and functional ingredients. So that's why I encourage you to take courses that will teach you not just how to mix different ingredients together, but also teach you the fundamentals of skincare formulation. Join our training. We will teach you well. Now, these products can include serums, they can include moisturizers, they can include eye creams, they can include essence, they can include toners. Just look for ingredients, look for products that have proteins and peptides as their key ingredients. Most of the time, it will be as part of the marketing story on your, or the marketing point on the skincare product. On the container, you would see contains peptides and proteins, or you would see contains peptides, or you would see contains proteins. Just look for ingredients that have these, look for products that have these ingredients as key ingredients in the ingredient composition. Now we have some of our skincare products that I can recommend to you. I'm not saying you must use them, but we have some of our skincare products that contain these ingredients as part of the key active ingredients. These products contain our Botox face cream, our Botox Power Essence. Two of these products contain peptides and proteins as the active ingredients. Now, also make sure you are reading the ingredient listing properly or thoroughly to know that you are getting the appropriate peptides or protein for your skin's need, because like I said, there are different kinds of proteins and there are different kinds of peptides. So make sure you are looking at the ingredients listing to educate yourself on the particular kind of peptides that are incorporated in that formula. Now, you can also incorporate foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals into your diet that can provide these peptides and proteins into your system. Now, make sure you're cleaning your skin properly. I always say this: make sure you are cleansing and exfoliating your skin appropriately, and make sure you are using skincare products that are tailored to your specific skin type or skin need, and make sure you're exfoliating at least once a week. Please do not over exfoliate, because then you will damage the barrier of your skin. Make sure you are exfoliating at least once a week to be able to rid off dead skin, so that you can have a brighter and more fairer complexion. Now, after cleansing, after exfoliating, make sure you are applying these peptide-rich products to your skin, especially your face, your neck, to make sure that you're getting these products to the point where they should be. Now, remember that when it comes to skincare products and basically a healthy skin or a healthy lifestyle, consistency is key. To see noticeable results, it is important to be consistent with your skincare routine. Don't be looking for unrealistic results. Don't use a product today and tomorrow and expect that you're supposed to have started seeing a brighter complexion, or you're supposed to have started seeing a youthful complexion. No, that's not how it works. You have to be consistent and you have to be patient. Give yourself realistic goals. Your skin has a regenerating time frame, so give yourself a good amount of time, at least from a month, before you can expect to see noticeable results with most skincare products, except you're using a skincare product that contains bleach and all of those harmful products or harmful ingredients that can not only damage your skin but can also be a threat to your health. Remember that while proteins and peptides can help to hydrate and give you a glowing and brighter complexion, make sure you are incorporating other lifestyle factors like staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, protecting your skin from the sun, because that's one of the first points of premature aging. Make sure you are wearing sunscreen that is at least 30 SPF, and make sure you're wearing this at peak periods. Peak periods are from 2 p.m. to at least 5 p.m. Also, avoid smoking and excessive intake of alcohol. All of these things help to deteriorate your skin's health. So if you want to have a radiant, beautiful, glowing, and youthful complexion, you have to be disciplined. You have to be conscious. You have to be deliberate with your skin's health. Now, like I said earlier, it is important to also incorporate protein-rich foods into your diet. Opt for lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish. Now, you can also have Greek yogurt, eggs and cottage cheese are also great source of proteins. These diet sources can help protein synthesis and the overall health of your skin. Now, if you are interested in more of the diet part, you should also consult with a dietitian who can recommend these foods according to your metabolic system. So I'm just giving you a vague or a wide idea of some of the things that you can incorporate into your food, but it is important to always seek professional help or professional guidance to get the best results. You can also incorporate supplements, protein supplements into your daily lifestyle as well. Now, collagen peptides are derived from the collective tissue of animals and can help promote collagen production and improve the skin's elasticity. Now, also very important, consult with a health professional before you add any supplement to your routine. Now, peptides and proteins are powerful ingredients that can boost the elasticity of your skin and can brighten the overall complexion. By incorporating peptide and protein-rich ingredients or products into our skincare routine and adapting a healthy lifestyle, we can achieve a radiant, beautiful, and a brighter complexion. Now, I hope you found this video educative and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in learning more about skincare, about your skin's health, about how you can improve your daily skincare routine and basically improve your skin's health, please join the family by subscribing down below. Hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to leave your questions, your comments, or your suggestions in the comment section down below. And if you would like to be the first to watch any of our content, please hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I put out a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in another video. Bye.